Why good afternoon. Today's our topic is in room dining. It is also called room service department. Let's start from introduction first. Room service is a part of hotel operation where they serve food conventionally to the respective guest rooms by just calling the room service department and place order of food and drinks to be sent to the rooms. Secondly, room service is a 24-hour service. It means it runs 24 by 7 day, night or afternoon time. Room service basically provide meal in the guest room. So this is the department which is taking care by F&B manager and room service manager. So if we talk about a hierarchy of IRD, so let's start from in-room dining manager. So in-room dining manager, he or she can be responsible of in-room dining department. And secondly, room dining captain. So the captain which reports to in-room dining manager. The main duty of captain is taking care of restaurant, sorry, in-room dining in terms of inventory, in terms of staff briefing, order taking, so on. The third one is order taker. It is also called in short form RSOT, room service order taker. So the main role of RSOT is taking order from guest through phone call. So order taker should have good knowledge about food as well as beverage. He or she also have good communication skill while taking order from the guest. The fourth one is guest service associate. The guest service associate, the person who deliver the guest order in the guest room. The last one is trainee or apprentice. So trainee is basically, it's not a part of the hotel. So he joins the hotel as a training purpose. So it helps a lot during operation in IRD or room service department. The next advantage of room service. There are so many advantage of room service. So let's start from first point. Celebrities want the privacy away from public attention and the media. There are so many celebrities come to five-star hotel for so many reason. So this is the main advantage. Room service provide food in the room. Eating out attract attention, which does not let the celebrity to enjoy a meal. The second one, some wish to eat the meal in casual wear, even in the night clothes. Third one, some guests prefer to have private meeting in the rooms and prefer to have meals in privacy. So basically, room service serve 24 by 7 meal, which I told you before. But after night time, after 12 o'clock in the night, menu is always limited. There are two reasons, because in the night time the staff crowd is very less, and secondly so many things such as clay oven or tandoor or some other utensils chef put on cleaning basis. So just because of that, in the night time the menu is very limited for the guest. The third one, sorry, the next slide is equipment. So you know that these are the list of equipment which we use in room service department. The first one is plate warmer. The plate warmer is equipment which is operated by electricity, and it helps to keep plate warm for long time. The third one is ice machine. So basically ice machine which helps to keep or store ice, and it also make ice inside the machine. The third one is tea and coffee tray. So many kinds of salver and trays used in IRD department to take the guest order. You know that American tray, continental tray, round salvers, so on. The next one is ice bucket. So bucket basically used while serving of beverages such as spirits, wines, beers, so on. Champagne or wine tray. It is also used to carry wine bottles on it. The third one is hot box. It is very important. You can see there is a box on the right side of the slide. So this is the hot box which is operated by electricity. It helps to keep food always hot. So the last one is trolleys. So trolleys you can see again on the slide. So there is a trolley along with proper setup on the base. So trolley basically used to deliver food order in the guest room. The next one is taking room service order. It is very important. So there are so many points which we always remember or focus while taking order from the guest, because in room service department guests directly place the order in room service department through phone. So RSOT is the main or a leader who take the order from guest. So first step, RSOT should greet the guest and introduce department. We always have to say, very good afternoon, room dining, how can I help you? Okay, we always speak the name as well. So the next step, write the order and order docket as you speak the guest. So we should always write on the same time guest order on the guest order register. Record the room number and repeat the order to the guest. We should always write the room number and always repeat the guest order. The next step is tell the guest approximately time of delivery. We should always inform to the guest regarding how long food will take. If there is a main course, then we have to inform about 20 to 25 minutes of main course. In soup, 10 to 15 minutes. So we always say the time according to SOP of the hotels. SOP means standard operating procedure. The next is enter the order in POS. So POS is point of sale. So we should always place the order in a system. Then after that, with the help of this system, two KOT generates. In case of food order, there is a KOT, kitchen order ticket. In case of beverage order, then there will be a BOT, bar order ticket. So then after that, distribute the order to the appropriate personnel, both in room service department and other department if necessary. So the same thing. So if there is a KOT, then we have to pick the food from kitchen, or if there is a BOT, then we have to take drinks from the bar, and after that we should deliver in the room. So food preparation by kitchen or F&B beverages. So again, if is there any kind of food, then always prepared through KOT from the kitchen department, and in case of beverages, then from bartender from the bar. So but without KOT, we can never get the food from these particular sections. The next one is serving the meal. So it is very important. So whenever guests enter the room, so again there are few steps which we always need to follow. Knock the room very knock the room lightly with saying in room dining. We should always knock the room 3 times. Then we say in room dining. Greet guest warmly and ask if you may enter in the room. So we should always say good afternoon, good evening, or good morning to the guest. Ask where to set up order. We should always ask from the guest where I need to keep or where I need to set his order. Then serve the food according to guests. So we should always serve the meal according to guest preference. Inform guests about pickup. So it is very important. So when we leaving the guest order in the room, we should always ask about pickup time. Pickup means clearance. We should always say when I should come for clearance. Then after that, wish guest an enjoyable meal, and in the last, thanks to the guest. So this is entire concept of room service department, which we should always follow in case of room service job. Thank you.